Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to detox your liver in 3 days by using one simple drink. Do you feel tired all the time? Is your skin looking dull? Do you feel like your stomach is full? Your liver might be full of toxins, but don't worry, you don't need expensive medicine. You are not required to visit the hospital. You only need one powerful natural drink. This drink is easy to make, cheap, and works in just 3 days. Yes, in just 3 days, your liver can feel fresh, clean, and strong again. Let's learn how to make this magic drink and why it works so well. What is the liver and why is it important? One of your body's most important organs is your liver. It is like a cleaning machine. It cleans your blood. It removes toxins. It helps with digestion. It stores energy. It makes your body strong. If you have a lot of toxins in your liver, you feel tired, bloated, heavy, weak, and even sad. Your skin becomes dry, your eyes lose shine, and you gain weight easily. However, a clean liver makes your entire body feel better. That's why liver detox is so important. The natural drink. What is it? This drink is made from 3 powerful natural ingredients: lemon, turmeric, and ginger. Let's learn about each one. Lemon is rich in vitamin C. It helps your body remove toxins. Additionally, it aids in increasing bile production in your liver. Bile helps your stomach digest fats. So lemon is great for your liver. Turmeric is golden yellow in color. In Asia, it is a well-known spice. Turmeric helps repair liver cells. It also fights inflammation. It protects your liver from damage. Ginger improves digestion. It helps reduce bloating and stomach pain. It also helps clean your blood and improves liver health. Okay, so how do you make the drink? Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, or ginger powder if that's easier, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and, if you like a sweet taste, 1 teaspoon of honey. Now, after boiling your water, let it cool for about a minute. Add the turmeric powder to the water, then add the ginger. Next, squeeze in the lemon juice. Add honey if you want it a bit sweet. Mix everything really well and drink it while it's still warm. When should you drink this? Have 1 glass every morning on an empty stomach. Do this for just 3 days. You can repeat this every 2 weeks if you want. But who should be careful? Pregnant women, please ask your doctor first. If you have stomach ulcers, turmeric might be a bit too strong. And if you take any medicine, it's always best to check with your doctor before trying this. While this beverage is extremely safe, always listen to your body. So, what happens after 3 days? Well, these are some changes that many people have reported: gaining more energy, better digestion, clearer skin, less bloating, clean breath, enhanced sleep, and even less need for sugar. Your liver actually feels light and clean, and you just feel healthy from the inside. Now, what's the science behind all of this? Here's what doctors say. Lemon increases hydration and vitamin C, both of which help your liver function. Turmeric contains curcumin, which protects the liver from damage. Ginger helps stimulate bile flow and reduces liver inflammation. There's research too. A study from 2016 showed turmeric improved liver function in people with fatty liver disease. Another study showed that ginger helped reduce liver fat in overweight people. So yes, this drink really works. Now, what should you eat with this drink? To get the best results in just 3 days, stick to clean and simple foods. Eat fruits like apples, oranges, or papaya. Go for vegetables such as spinach, carrots, and broccoli. Choose whole grains like brown rice or oats. For lean protein, try lentils, tofu, or even a boiled egg. And of course, drink plenty of water. What should you avoid? Stay away from fried food, sugar, white bread, soda, alcohol, and processed snacks. Let your liver rest so it can really clean your body well. What activities help liver detox? You can help your liver more by walking for 30 minutes every day, doing deep breathing, sleeping 7 to 8 hours at night, taking slow, deep sips of the detox drink, and honestly, smiling more and staying relaxed. Yes, even happiness helps the liver work better. Real people, real stories. Case 1, Siti, 45 years old from Indonesia said, "I drank this turmeric ginger lemon drink for 3 days. I felt fresh, my bloating went down, my face looked brighter." Case 2, Ahmed, 32 years old from Pakistan shared, "I used to feel tired all the time. After drinking this detox mix, I feel more active in the morning. And case 3, Rina, 28 years old from Malaysia said, my skin had pimples, my tummy was full, my face is now clearer and I feel lighter after drinking this natural beverage for 3 days. Okay, let's go through some common questions. First, can I drink this every day? No, 3 days is enough. Then stop for a while. You can do it again after 2 weeks if needed. Next, is it okay to drink at night? Well, the morning is ideal, but if you forget, just drink it in the evening before dinner. What about children? Can they drink this? No, this drink is for adults only. Will liver disease be cured by it? No, it helps support the liver, but it's not a cure. Always see a doctor for serious problems. And finally, can I add other things like mint or apple cider vinegar? Yes, but start simple. You can always try adding those later. Here's your 3-day detox plan. On day 1, have 1 glass of the detox drink in the morning. For breakfast, enjoy oats with banana. Lunch should be brown rice with vegetables. And in the evening, have a fruit salad. Try to sleep early. On day 2, start your morning with the detox drink. For breakfast, make a smoothie with spinach and apple. Lunch can be grilled tofu or egg with salad. In the evening, have some vegetable soup and go for a 20-minute walk. On day 3, drink your detox drink in the morning. For breakfast, have a boiled egg plus some papaya. Lunch is lentil soup with whole grain bread. In the evening, sip green tea and eat some fruit. Aim to sleep for 8 hours. After these 3 days, you'll feel fresh, clean, and honestly just more alive. After this detox, you can try other healthy drinks for your liver too. Things like cucumber and mint water, beetroot juice, carrot and orange juice, aloe vera juice, or green tea with lemon. These all help keep your liver strong. Your liver is your best friend. It works all day and night to keep your body clean, but it also needs your help. This simple natural drink can give your liver the love it needs. Give it 3 days. Eat healthy, stay calm, move your body, observe the magic too. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more easy and natural health tips. Tell us in the comments, will you try this liver detox drink? Stay healthy, stay happy, and always choose nature first.